Hi, my name is Navneet Matharu. I'm assistant professor at Department of Bioengineering and Therapeutic Sciences at UCSF. I'm vice fellow with IGI here. And my interest actually is in CRISPR mediated therapies, especially activation therapies. So my project actually deals with haploinsufficient disorders, and I have actually good experience working with haploinsufficient disorders in past, almost a decade. And what is unique about this project is it's actually specifically related to girl haploinsufficiencies that are seen in females, which are linked to X-linked disorders. What I am working on is trying to actually address the unmet need of a female, haploinsufficient disorders through this project. So it's very unique to females, and for those reasons, there's a huge unmet need. If you look at the market and the industry, the biotech industry options or therapeutic modality that are available, there is a huge unmet need for X-linked haploinsufficient disorders. I think there was something that was actually really foundational to my interest in science was the benefit of mankind, as whole, and therapy was kind of a direct, outcome of that thought process. Down the line, I felt that if you have to make a therapy, you have to come out of academia, you have to come out of lab from a, like an academic lab setting. So taking out your technology out of lab and moving into an industry is monumental because you're on a track now to actually develop a product or a drug that can actually help benefit mankind, or patients. So I think I found entrepreneurship as a way to get the science and technology out of lab and be more meaningful, to the society. So Wise Fellow program is helping me a lot actually to connect with the community that is full of like mentors and advisors and people, they have a key expertise in CRISPR-based systems. So it's bringing in a lot actually into my bigger entrepreneurship dream that I'm actually chasing. And having it started with Wise program is actually an immense support that I'm getting, through this program. These training programs actually give us, first-hand information around like how to develop a company, how to actually make a team, how to, see the legal aspects, the business aspects of the side, and how to actually move along technology and the intellectual property right at the same time. So it's kind of a multifaceted program that brings a lot of, different areas of, expertise into this. So, which is absolutely necessary to move forward and form a company. IGI is now like my second home. I actually like to connect with every member at IGI. People have like diverse sort of set of expertise around, and I really like actually the warmth that when I feel when I enter IGI. So I'm really glad that I can connect to being like an IGI family now.